favorite to be living my dreams, and now they laying out the carpets when I step on the scene. I drop a bag when I shop, all that extra shit I'm paying on my family bills. That's a
What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl T, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but also turn on that little notification bell so you can be in the know all the time. I am going to show you how I attempted this Halloween look. With that being said, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're starting with a fresh, clean, and moisturized face. I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, but now I'm going to start doing my eye makeup on this side. Alright, so I have the photo on my laptop so that I can constantly kind of look back and reference. And yeah, so I mean, I'm not going to be able to do the exact same thing that she did, but it's just my take on it. So yeah, so I'm gonna start, make sure these brows are snatched, hunty, snatched. All right, perfect. So now that that brow is done, I'm gonna go in and of course sculpt out my eyebrow so my color correct, and Revlon concealer, mix the two together, sculpt out underneath my brow. If you know me, brows are my life, and I just like when my brows be snatched. And I think I'm gonna go a little bit on the outside, not too much, just enough so that it will be fine with my foundation. Like, I am by no means a pro at this. It's kind of hard to see in this light. It's probably a better angle. My Laura Mercier translucent deep to medium powder, and I'm just gonna set my eye with my little beauty blender. She kind of has a dark color in her crease, so I'm gonna grab my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm gonna take Lethal right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outside. I'm gonna take this little kind of like smudge brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that product, not too much. But I like the way that looks. That, I'm done with that. I'm done with doing that. So now from here, okay, so in her kind of like outer corner, it looks like it's going from like a little brown, orange to yellow. I might do red, orange, yellow, but palette. And I'm just gonna use that red color right there. It's there, but it's really not there. I think maybe the more I pack it on, the better. I didn't see it on camera, but it's very minimal. I'm gonna let it be a little bit of this orange. Let's see. Looks kind of right now, right there. I literally have to pack it on, but it's so pretty. More, I want more, I want more. So these two colors, and I did the wing because her wing is blue. Yeah, that's pretty much okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. I'm taking this lighter blue. I'm literally just gonna put it right on top. On this eye. Because literally it's just gonna be all black. Andy DB acrylic paint. I know, so much. And I'm just gonna map out like my face. So clearly. On my face like I typically do. But yeah. Eyebrow. So I'm literally like, this highlight is like fierce. So I'm about to make a fierce highlight. Little freckles on her face, so I got this on both, and I'm just going to okay, so while that's going on, I'm gonna take my eyeliner and do the little details. Put a few pumps of makeup. Yeah. Like very light. I literally threw on a denim jacket, MTV shirt that I got from Walmart. It can barely move my face. I really enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one.